Red color. Blue color. Yellow color. I learned uppercase letter A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cherry. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for jelly. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for pig. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for snail. T for tiger. U for unicorn. V for vase. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yogurt. And Z for zebra. Let's paint. Purple color. A for apple. D for dolphin. I for ink. M for monkey. Q for coil. U for unicorn. X for X-ray. Light green color. C for cow. F for fish. H for house. K for kite. P for pig. T for tiger. W for watermelon. Y for yo-yo. Red color. B. B for ball. G for grapes. J for jelly. N for nest. S for snail. V for vase. Black color. E for elephant. L for line. for octopus. R for rainbow. And Z for zebra. Let's repeat learn. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I hope you like my video, so please like, share, and subscribe. I meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.